In this video, we'll walk through how to use the payments report in Pet Sitter Plus to track and review client payments quickly and easily. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. To access the report, start from your dashboard. Click on Reports, then select Payments Report. The Payments Report provides a detailed breakdown of payments received from clients, helping you monitor income and reconcile transactions with your bank account. The Payments Report differs from the Cash Received Report, which can be found under Revenue and Tax. The Cash Received Report includes payments allocated to invoices only, and so is useful for accounting purposes to record actual revenue into the business. It records the date the invoice was paid and not the date the payment was made. The payment report records the date the payment was logged and includes payments that can be recorded in several different ways, which we will explain now. There are 4 ways that payments can be added to a client account. If you use Stripe, the first payment type is created when an amount is taken from a client's credit or debit card and shows on the report as a Stripe payment. Second is a payment recorded manually in the client account and allocated to an invoice. Once the payment is recorded, it automatically marks the invoice as paid. Third is the same method recorded manually but isn't allocated to an invoice. It stays on the account as a credit to be used to pay a future invoice. The fourth type of payment is automatically created when you mark an invoice as paid in the Unpaid Invoices report. To learn more about payments on the client account, check out our video on adding a client payment. To view the payments report, first select the date range you want to review. You can use the Jump To buttons to go straight to common reporting periods like today, this week, this month, or enter a custom date range and click Reload. You can optionally use the available filter to narrow your results by client area, selecting your choice from the drop-down. Handy hint: to filter your reports by area, you need to have added them to your client account. Watch our video on how to add an area for how to do this. Each line in the report includes useful information such as the payment date, payment type, client name, pet name, and the amount paid. Certain columns in the report can be sorted by clicking on the name in the grey header. You can sort by payment type, area, client name, and pet name. At the bottom of the report, you'll see the total, which summarizes the value of payments included in the report for that date range. You can also drill down into the client account for more detail by clicking the Jump To blue client name. Depending on your permissions, you may be able to download the report as a CSV for reconciliation or accounting purposes. Excellent. You now know how to use the payments report in Pet Sitter Plus. It's a simple but powerful way to monitor incoming payments and maintain accurate financial records within Pet Sitter Plus. It can be used in combination with the other reports to further analyze your business activity. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our learning zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.